So in this video, I will be making an SR flip-flop using NAND gates, and I'll be using logisim for this. So I'm going to start by placing my two flip-flops right over there, and those two will make up my SR latch, and then the other two will complete my flip-flop. Next, I'm going to add outputs. So I'm going to use LEDs for this. And I'm going to change the color because I want green to represent the on/high state and red to represent the off/low state. And there we go. So they're off because nothing has been connected yet. So I'm going to connect my NAND gates to my outputs. Then next I'm just going to complete the rest of the circuit. And then I'm going to join those two together like this. There. So now I'll be finishing off my SR latch. Right there. And there. So my SR latch is now complete, and I'm going to extend that line over there, and that's where my clock will sit. And then now I'm just going to connect my clock. There. And then next my pins, my S and R pins. So now it's time to label everything. So I'm going to label my S pin and my R pin. And I've labeled everything. And I'm just going to make sure that my NAND gates only have two inputs because an SR flip-flop can only have two inputs. And after doing that, it's time to test. So I'm going to start by switching on my clock. And then when I switch on my S pin and then my R pin in the low state, you can see that Q will be high and Q naught will be low. You can see this from the truth table. And then when I change that and I make both S and R high, you can see both Q and Q naught are high. And this is known as an invalid state. Lastly, I'm going to make S low and R high. And you can see that Q will be low and Q naught will be high. That'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.